Igbo Igbo ekenekwa m unu Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-asị m adịla onye ọbụla na mmanụ ụbọchị nke taata biko na o nwere vidiyo unu na-afọ ebe m epule ya ka unu nụ ọkwa ngwala unu onwe mgbe m gwara unu mgbe ga-aga na ọkwa ebe ụmụ ihe podcast anụ a na-eme everyday adala man of God nke a atagide kachingom tagide ha abụfue akpụta onye ọzọ tagide abụfue akpụta onye ọzọ. The Bible said that when the king saw that what he did pleases the people, he stretched up his hand and took Peter. See, akwefoba ihe abụ na-apụta asị gị na man of God does not have right ime mmadụ arresting na ime nke anụ nwakwa ime nke ọzọ. See, when these people begins to talk down on every man of God in Nigeria, you as a Christian, your faith in God and in Christianity too will be questioned. And we have when put like this, after the man of God, almost all the women of God in Nigeria get now. These people have ridiculed that person. Again, where is your evidence of you saying that this man of God no do quality no do quality arrange no do busu now the mother, which is wrong, which is bad. This young man now, I say Anna, let him come and prove he does not even have proof of what he's saying. He doesn't have proof of what he's saying. Tomorrow, also no that you are more by. Next tomorrow, also no Johnson Suleiman. Next upper tomorrow, or say no gozi okay one next week, or sekwa gino onya. Onabuso siyabu the only guy in anyana men of God mele arrange in Nigeria. Or he and where is the sense of our people? Also this guy would the only guy about or saying no man of God with the whole man of God, including Chris or Kafo and Kenon Lagos, or you can look with the TB Joshua, or you look with Onya. Sometimes soon again mother to know Kunan is use your brain. Use your brain most times. Key we are not again. Key we use your brain matasina. These people are actually out for a plan. All these people in our football failed guys bataloka thinking that Christianity will not ever batata boutique. So at the end of the day, when they were asked to engage what the word of God say, because now no matter how bonus or get there, man of God bisaga kechi, another man of God bisaga kawan nature prophesy into your life. There is that action part of you that needs to be engaged for that prophecy, for that prayer to come to pass. These are the problem of these guys here I may encounter, and also these guys are also a problem of fake people that engage themselves as man of God, using them to fulfill practice, and they came out and be speaking, thinking that all the women of God are the same. This guy abro onye apụta ine agent ka he will edify your faith to know all he talks against the men of God melanka. Have you ever seen these people ka have a video say hey ka celebrate a man of God at all school, ka celebrate a man of God at all hospital, ka celebrate this man of God today no free food na bed. You will never hear them talk about it. To them all the common. Like I said from the beginning, when the king, the Bible says, when the king saw that what he did to other disciples pleases the people, he stretched up his hand and took Peter. Yotago, he stretched up his hand and took another one. So, Bikono, if this young man, okay, if he's being arrested to come and prove he no cool, does he have evidence to back it up? One. Number two, does he really know? Because in this video, that interviewer even have to react, say, or Rev Ephraim Ononye nkoma ka obo onye ozo. Or say no Rev Ephraim Ononye, so which means now he is sure of what he's saying. For the interviewer himself, which shows that the guy is lying. And then the complete video, the congregation show up we stand there for Daddy Ephraim in this point a time as this. So because in this video and don't forget to share so that other people will see what God is doing in this end time. God numbers on the by.
You know when I work with Ephraim Ononye, you know Ephraim Ononye.
I thought you also work with Ephraim
Ononye.
I know Ephraim Ononye's church.
There is this cat, he prophesied to one woman. People that are in that church will remember. He prophesied to one woman that when he go to his house, he will see cat in his domot. My brother, we go drop her. There is this cat, he prophesied to one woman. People that are in that church will remember. He prophesied to one woman that when he go to his house, he will see cat in his domot. My brother, we go drop her.
So Ephraim also does the same thing.
Yes, now. Ephraim Ononye.
So who can be original? Who can be good man of God?
Why?
Because he seems to have mentioned all the people, all the
Now.
I need 2 members of this ministry who are not new members and they are regular in our meetings. And I don't want little children. Actually, age. Can I have 2 persons here now? Somebody put on the internet. Now, Ephraim Ononye, unless there is another Ephraim Ononye somewhere. Somebody said on the internet that Ephraim Ononye, one certain day, gave a prophecy to a woman. Now, Ogafu pussycat, no ya. And the woman, where me channel will be away for the pussycat, no ya. And the person stood up to claim that Ephraim Ononye paid him to go and plant the pussycat. And so the person came and found the pussycat as prophesied. In other words, no arranging. Sir, let me start from you, sir. Have you ever go Ephraim Ononye and Kakweba? Si bukata muma mo pussycat, si nyekata prophecy we mention na pussycat.
I know behind
Yeah?
I know behind
You know where?
I've never had it. I've never had it.
So you are trying to tell me that since in Abiaba, Onwebe, a woman, Ephraim Ononye Budamuma, mention na pussycat. Talk more of my woman on Aluzibia, fully pussy, that one is not my concern now. My concern is, have you ever had Ephraim Ononye give prophecy that has to do with pussycat anywhere?
No. My life. Never. Never.
No, I don't want you to talk from the crowd. Oh, wait. No, I could not.
Yes, sir.
Unumonya? Yes. Or a strange face? No. Or you know Mofuma? Yes. So, can this person speak on your behalf?
Yes. Our member.
Oh, yeah, sir. Can you consider here? I'm going to push on the
Or the begging Bible, Jamuma ever.
Or the begging Bible, Jamuma ever. Can you was leaking that human being, that hungry looking human being, that particular person, Arodia?
Oh, you don't know.
Eh?
Oh, just like here.
Oh, yeah, just like here. Engineer
Gabby Jones.
Engineer Gabby Jones. See now, that person, because he can't make it.
Oh,
Just like here.
and then you see.
Okay. I want to hear from 2 more persons. Maybe, let me assume that these 2 papas, we are not there the day the prophecy was made or was given. Are they members of this ministry? Yes. And when we started here, you started here with us. Okay. I am glad that the people I am with here are the people that started this ministry with us. And they are in the presence of all of you. Now, mention that pussycat.
Since 2019 can be there. So every this ministry, by a chapel, then chapel, from Bedadi, I got a table. Kebe Kubuna, Udi prophecy do to I don't know in this ministry. And the Nankebe Zokuna, since you are full of this ministry, I'm not the Romono that such of this kind of prophecy is Romono Dadi. Udi prophecy and Yafu, if I'm not very, Yafu, if I'm not motor. I can't remove the prophecy.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
There is this cat he prophesied to one woman. People that are in that church will remember.
Go 20 years, more Jabeba. Bidone
Bidona Uli.
Where go?
From Uli.
Where
to Obosi here. To Abakaliki. Nja na chota moto bia program na Abakaliki.
Anubam nantim. Mani hu chuko mani hu madi. But udamu mada.
Udamu mada be nantim.
Anubam ya cha dudu. Mumu ajiba antima. No ya. Waka kweba. Mgba ono umu mo ihe ara. Ayi nwa. Ayi hiri nne. Nwekwa nwaanyị nke ọzọ je nwaanyị Obosi. Ayi nwa bụ ndị na-eme ekpere eso m na ndị agha ekpere ya. Anụbam chaka.
For more than 20 years.
Anyị were si ebe ahụ adụgide agha niile eburu ebe ahụ buo eburu ya dịcha anyị nwe ihe ọbụla mmadụ butere.
Can you imagine that this woman has been a member of this ministry for the past 20 years? You know, easy.
There is this cat he prophesied to one woman. People that are in that church will remember. He prophesied to one woman that when he go to his house, he will see cat in his domot. My brother, now we go drop her.
Okay, mana ebulu gidi amma.
Ebu ha mmadaji.
Ke onye ebulu gidi amma.
Owo onye ebulu amma.
Ke onye ebulu amma ku ya na oga fu pusu.
Owo onye ebulu amma daji. Anja wasi. Owo nke wezo.
He prophesied to one woman. People that are in that church will remember.
The one on the ministry for many years, and when we were the amuma, and then I Ephraim Ononye dey go the amuma. Because then I chose that Tanish image in Madame Menuni.
Gabanume has
never work on of one Jesus. I want to say from the inception of our entanglement, I took time to read your temperament and contemperament.
People that are in that church will remember. I prophesied to one woman that when he go to his house, he will see cat in his domot.
You know about the prophecy ever?
Even one direct mother. I'm my papa, I will na have the one that I am a son on your woofer. Come on, when you get the lame set the long if you imagine you will.
God bless you.
They are conquer all kwa menu. And I do the mekanjwa. Onye na-ekwive or pastor call. Madam Kete.
Onye arrange.
Onye arrange. Oza ka kwa no gie lugo.
No za kobago.
Oye kuya. No gie lugo. Ya me bi ala anye ba isia zo to nwa anyi. We wu no ye ji siebu na manu nru dia kombo. Oya do ku ebe. We lu na onya na Ephraim Ononye alụkpọ onye Chineke zitere ya. Ya na mmezu.
Ngagawazie, God bless you.